Welcome to Castleton, just by the river in the Visitor Centre car park here, and just a quick one around Mam Tor and Lewis Hill, doing the famous ridge walk today. There's been a bit of snow yesterday, so there should be some white on the tops. Heading up Cavedale to start with, and then we'll be around to Mam Tor. Come join me. You can see the snow-covered tops. Let's have a quick spin around as we head through Castleton then towards Cavedale. Peveril Castle at the top of the hill. All the icicles hanging. There's Peveril Castle. We pass it by. It's just a little bit higher than I'm well into the snowy ground now. It's not thick snow, you can see the footprints. But yeah, adds a little bit of something to the hike, doesn't it? Mam Tor in the distance up ahead then. I can see a few figures on top of it already. Good morning to you too. Brave. It's a whiteout. Start shortly then, as soon as I cross this road. The trail climbing up Mam Tor, even on a cold, snowy March Wednesday morning. View is just opening up this side. Obviously better when we get up top. Here we go then, always a gathering. I'm not hanging about at the trig point. Always a busy little spot. Hustle and bustle of Mam Tor, very popular. So now starts the ridge walk, which actually looks a little bit quieter for the time being anyway, all the way across to Lewes Hill. Tor behind me then. Through the valley, the old factory. And the way ahead. Let's carry on round. Back Tor then. Not much traffic on it. 2 going up, 3 if you include me. One man sat just on the top of this rock somewhere up here. Not sure you'll make him out. He's looking down the valley, which is great views from up there. We'll have a look when we get there. Carry on back then, that's to Mam Tor, now centre screen. Winnett's Pass up there, centre screen. Carrying on round down Castleton, the village down there. fabulous views then down the valley from Back Tor. Now behind me. Next stop, Lewes Hill. And then it's a drop back off there into Castleton. Okie dokie then. That's the summit of Lewes Hill. Win Hill in the background. The I forgot what we called it, viewpoint. Well then, that's where we've come from. Mam Tor. Snow is disappearing quickly, isn't it? It's very wet underfoot. The ground's very wet, so I think it's soon thawing. There's a good breeze as well. I don't know what the temperature is. It's I guess 3 or 4 degrees. It's not exactly warm. Sun keeps thinking about it. A bit too much cloud up there. There we go then, there's your 360. Just a drop back off into Castleton. Another 2.5 miles and that's it. Drop off the top then, scan around while the views are opening up. Win Hill coming in now, centre screen, down into Hope. I think that is down there, isn't it? The old factory chugging away. Castleton, where we're heading back to. Behind it, Cavedale, where we went up this morning. Finishing off then with Winnet's Pass and back to Mam Tor. Never poked his way through, but been showing willing for the entire journey. Mam Tor ahead then. Probably the last look along the ridge walk. A bit hard to make it out, but it's on the top of that on the horizon there. Up to Lewes Hill, centre screen now. Snow's about gone, look. We're gone by tea time, isn't it? There it goes. Right, that's that then. Back at the car park. A lovely sort of 7.5, 8 mile walk, I think that is. Last chance of the snow this year, I think. But yeah, always pleasant walking, always a nice walk across the ridge walk. So thank you as ever for joining me. No idea what's next, where's next, but there'll be something soon hopefully. So until then, cheerio, goodbye. Oops, van wasn't even locked.